Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to check your trade history. How to check your trade history. How to check your trade history. If you have already traded on Bybit futures and you want to know your trade history, it's not difficult. Let me show you. So if you want to check your trade history, before I go on to check you to give you the details, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video So if you want to check your trade history, so what I'm going to do is you are going to click here. You are going to click, just come to this side below. So you are going to click that place. So when you click that place, so you click that. Make sure that is network where you are. You can see. So you are going to see all other. You can see here. You are going to see all other at the top. You are going to see all other at the top. At the top here. So you see different order. You can see all other. So you are so you are going to see position. You see position, open order. So when you click on open order, you are going to see all the order you have opened. This is it. This is open order. You can see. Then this is position. Then this is order history. You can see. So you can also see all markets. You can see all types, the number of days. Then when you scroll to this, when you scroll side, then you are going to see trade history. You can see trade history here. So you click here. You can see. You click on trade history. So you click on trade history. Click on trade history. Then you can see all markets. If you click on all markets, it will show you all spot or future. So let's go to future. You can see. So in the last 30 days, you can see I've not traded in that in the last 30 days. So let me check that. So let me change the date. So let me change the date to October. Okay, let's say August, from August. Let's say August. So August, let's say August 1. You can adjust the date. You can see. So you can also adjust it like this. Then confirm. You can see. You are going to see all the order you have open and your trade history. You can see it's very easy. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So you are going to see all the order. You can see that I had one of my order here. If you look at the top here, one of my order here got liquidated. My order here got liquidated. You can see. So if you scroll up, you're going to see the order you have. You can see. You can see if you open long, you're going to see long. You can see it is long, and the coin you traded, you're going to see it there. And if it is perpetual, this is future trading. You can see. If it is spot trading, just come and change it here. Change it to spot. So that's how to check your trade history. Just scroll up. So if I get the value from this video, subscribe to my channel. You can see that I open short here. You can see I open short here. and I traded what Solana. So this is very simple to you can see. You can see everything you have done. You're going to see there. You can see. So now when you go, so when you come here, when you come to P and L, this P and L means profit and loss. When you click on that, let's click on that. You can see. So you go to now. Let's adjust the date also. Let's adjust the date. So let's put the date to maybe October or August. Let's put August. Then this is end date. You have start date, end date. So today is 23. You can see. So you can see that it is showing me how I lost my trade because of I didn't apply risk management. Not that I don't know about risk management, but because of my negligence, I thought maybe because I was actually testing the trade if the trade will revert back to my position, but unfortunately my trade got liquidated. You can see liquidation here. You can see I lost money here. So it happened with trade like that. And there's no way you can neglect risk management. So I grew this account and I lost it again. You can see. Imagine I grew it from $5 to almost $20 and I lost it again. Why? Because I refused to apply what risk management. So risk management in trading is very, very important. There's no alternative way to it. If you want to make a lot of money in crypto, you have to do what? You have to apply risk management to your trade. You can see that I again, you can see I had profit in some. I can see that I had profit in some and I lost in some. You can see. So when I say I give this account or I make profit, I'm not saying it for fun. You can see that where you see red, the red is showing loss, and where you see what green, the green is showing what profit. So you can take profit from 20% and above. Don't be too greedy. So when you are too greedy in crypto, you lost money, and not that you lost all the money, but if you are careless about your risk management, you might lose all the money that you are using trading. So risk management is very, very important. So if I get any value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share the video. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually trade sports. If you check my previous video, I've already done future trading. I've recorded future trading, how to trade futures, how to use stop loss, how to apply risk management, how to take your profit, how to reach out, all those. You can check my previous video. I've already recorded video on it. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to trade sports on Bybit. So thanks for watching. Bye.